Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. First of all, happy Sunday and I hope you all are having a great day. So in my recent video, I've told you that I'll be making some special videos on peripherals, right? That too in different categories. Like I'll be covering budget category, mid-range and also high-end. Last week, we saw the high-end variant of headphones, right? And today we'll be checking out a mid-range headset, guys. And the model we'll be checking out is from Cooler Master. This is their newly released model, guys, MH650, and it's a wired gaming headset that offers some really decent features for the price. It's got RGB lighting on board, supports 7.1 virtual surround sound, and also has some other features which I'll be telling you in this video. So basically, we're gonna unbox and check out this product. Keeping that aside, before we get started, I'd like to give a shout out to our today's video sponsor, TPS Tech. If you guys don't know, TPS Tech is an online computer store that sells a lot of computer parts, peripherals, and a lot of other stuff. You'll have to check out their website, guys. Link will be in the description box below. So let's get started with the unboxing. Alright guys, so here's our new gaming headset from Cooler Master. The model is MH650, comes in this sort of box packaging. It's a wired gaming headset that features RGB lighting and also 7.1 virtual surround sound. Talking about the features, it's got customizable RGB, it's compatible with PC, PlayStation, smartphones, and the brand says that it offers long-lasting comfort. Now that is something I'll have to say after testing it out personally. Going to the backside, we've got some more details about the product, like it comes with 50mm drivers on board, has removable cushions, and a flexible boom mic that is also detachable. So that's it guys, these are some of its highlights. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and tear the seal over here. There we go. Let's open the package and finally check out the headset. So here it is guys, our new gaming headset from Cooler Master. Comes packed like this on a tray, and along with that you get some paperwork at the top. Just make sure to read that. And you also get a free carry case in the package. Pretty nice quality, has velvet like finish and can be quite handy to carry the headset. You also get some accessories as well in this tray, like there's a USB Type A to Type C adapter, a detachable boom mic, and lastly, here's the headset we've been waiting for, the MH650 in black color. What I'll do is I'll just clean up all this mess and then I'll give you all a closer look. Cooler Master's MH650 is a wired gaming headset that features 50mm drivers and is mainly made for PC and console gamers. It's got a complete stealth black look with a matte finish all over it. And talking about the build quality looks fine. It's entirely made of plastic and gives you a bit of plasticky feel. Oh, looks like these side cups are made of metal. You've got the Cooler Masters logo on both the sides and feature a ring RGB lighting on the ear cups. There's plenty of adjustment here. The ear cups can be fully swiveled like this, and yes, the length of the headband is also adjustable to fit almost any head size. So that was about the build quality. And one more thing I forgot to mention is it comes with a standard 1.5 meter nylon braided cable and it's non-detachable. So let me show you all the available buttons on it. There's an RGB lighting toggle, a tiny status indicator, and a 7.1 virtual surround sound toggle as well. That's it over here. Now going to the other side. Here you've got a volume control knob, a microphone mute button, and this is where you'll need to insert the microphone. That's it. These are all the controls and available ports on it. I haven't told you about the cushioning, right? The MH650 feature removable high-density earpads covered in a fabric material and feel quite soft and spongy. I wish they came with memory foam, but okay, not bad. And at the top side also you've got plenty of cushioning for a soft and comfortable experience while using. So that was my complete overview on the design and the build quality. What I'll do is I'll quickly connect them to my PC and then we'll discuss about the comfort and the sound. Cooler Master's MH650 weigh around 282 grams, and let me tell you, I was totally not expecting them to feel this nice while wearing. They feel quite comfortable even for long sessions of gaming, and I didn't face any sort of stress also on my head. So before I actually talk about the sound, let me tell you about the compatibility. The headset works with your PC, PlayStation consoles, and even on your smartphones using that provided Type A to Type C adapter in the box. That means it only works with phones with Type C port on them. And coming to the sound, the audio quality was decently good for the price. It's got 50mm drivers on board and the mids felt crisp and clear, the vocal clarity was nice and you could easily hear and understand all the dialogues in a game. The high frequency response also fine, was producing good treble with minimum harshness, and coming to the bass response was also nice. The brand says it's got a frequency response range from 20Hz to 20 kHz, but I actually didn't feel that 20Hz response in the sound. See, bass is definitely there. It was punchy and good, but would have loved the experience if the drivers could produce a low frequency rumble as well. Sounds like gun firings, bomb blasts, and those in game effects felt pretty nice and enjoyable. This I definitely have to say that the stereo separation was great with good dynamic range, and the distortion also minimum even at 95% volume level. And one more thing guys I forgot to mention, it's got 7.1 virtual surround sound support as well, which you can toggle directly from the headset or even using Cooler Master software. Using the software is a bit better because you can tweak the surround sound distance and sound profiles, EQ, stuff like that. This mode definitely makes a difference, especially while gaming, as it widens the soundstage and helps you easily identify things like the direction of gun firings, the enemy footstep movements, and stuff like that. It can be quite helpful for gamers and esport players. But if you're listening to music, then I'd say the regular stereo mode is much more preferable. See, everything was fine, but the only thing I felt during my usage was the overall audio output on these headphones was a bit less. I wish it had like at least 20% more volume to get a fully satisfactory experience. We're almost coming to an end, right? So let me tell you about the microphone. So as mentioned at the beginning, Cooler Master's MH650 gaming headset comes with a detachable boom microphone, and the good thing about it is it's like fully adjustable guys. It's got a flexible arm so you can easily alter the position and change it as per your convenience, and the audio that you're hearing right now is through this microphone only. Let me know what do you think about the audio quality in the comment section down below. Hello check 1 2 3 microphone test on Cooler Master's MH650. Wait a second, I totally forgot to talk about the RGB lighting. It's got a single zone RGB lighting on both the ear cups and are fully customizable directly from the headset or even using the software. On board, the headset offers 3 RGB profiles, the LEDs are bright and gives an attractive look to the headset. Well, that's it guys, that was my video on Cooler Master's new MH650 wired gaming headset. It's a very good headset for the price. Feels super comfortable to wear, offers good sound quality with 7.1 virtual surround sound as RGB lighting and also a detachable flexible microphone. The only thing I felt is the audio output should have been a bit higher. It costs around 5,699 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.